Now, these three Beatbot pool robots may look similar, but they're actually built for three completely different types of pool owners. One focuses on the essential cleaning jobs every pool needs. One focuses on the intelligent navigation, longer runtime, and easier retrieval. And one solves a problem the other two simply can't: floating debris on the water's surface. Now that's important because if you've ever walked outside and found leaves, pollen, sometimes bugs, or other debris floating across your pool, you already know that cleaning the floor is the only part of the battle. In fact, one of these Beatbot robot pool cleaners can clean the water surface, shallow areas, pool floor, walls, and waterline all within a single Pro Mode cleaning cycle. So if you're trying to decide between the Beatbot Sora 70, Beatbot Sora 30, and the Beatbot Sora 10, this comparison is for you. What's going on, everyone? Today we're comparing cleaning performance, navigation technology, battery life, debris capacity, convenience features, and most importantly, which Beatbot robot pool cleaner is actually designed for your pool. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which Beatbot Sora model makes the most sense for your needs. Now, before we get into the differences, let's start with what all three Beatbot Sora robot pool cleaners can do. Now, whether you're looking at the Beatbot Sora 10, Beatbot Sora 30, or Beatbot Sora 70, all three models are designed to clean the core areas of your pool. That includes the pool floor, the pool walls, the waterline, and qualifying shallow or platform areas. So regardless of which Beatbot pool robot you choose, you're getting a robot pool cleaner that can help automate some of the most time-consuming pool maintenance tasks. Now, the real difference comes down to what type of pool owner you are. Now let's start with the most accessible option in the lineup, the Beatbot Sora 10. Now the Beatbot Sora 10 is designed for pool owners who simply want reliable everyday pool cleaning. If your goal is to automate the core cleaning jobs without paying for advanced features you may never use, the Sora 10 is built exactly for that. The Beatbot Sora 10 uses the Sonic Sense obstacle avoidance technology to help deliver efficient everyday cleaning performance. Now, what I like about the Beatbot Sora 10 is that it focuses on the fundamentals. It handles floor cleaning, wall cleaning, water line cleaning, and shallow area cleaning. Now, for many pool owners, that's exactly what they're looking for: a dependable robot pool cleaner that takes care of routine cleaning without overcomplicating things. If your pool mostly deals with everyday dirt, debris that settles at the bottom, and regular weekly maintenance, the Beatbot Sora 10 delivers the essential cleaning experience that many homeowners want. It also uses a 7800 milliamp hour battery, a 5-liter debris basket, and can provide up to 4 hours of floor, wall, and waterline cleaning. So if you're looking for a Beatbot robot pool cleaner that focuses on the core cleaning task at the most accessible price point, the Sora 10 is a very compelling option. But if you want a smarter robotic pool cleaner experience, that's where the Beatbot Sora 30 comes in. Now, the Beatbot Sora 30 isn't simply about cleaning. It's about cleaning smarter. This is the model designed for pool owners who want stronger navigation, longer endurance, and a more convenient ownership experience. Now, one of the biggest upgrades here is the Sonic Sense obstacle avoidance system featuring dual ultrasonic sensors. Now, the Beatbot Sora 30 can detect obstacles in real time and create intelligent, pre-planned cleaning paths around pool fixtures, ladder steps, and other obstacles. And honestly, this is where you start noticing a more advanced robotic pool cleaner experience. Now, instead of constantly making corrections or bumping into obstacles, the Beatbot Sora 30 feels more deliberate. I like how the navigation feels smoother here, coverage feels more efficient, and overall cleaning experience feels more intelligent. Now, the Beatbot Sora 30 also upgrades to a larger 10,000 milliamp hour battery, giving it up to 5 hours of continuous cleaning. For larger pools or longer cleaning sessions, that extra endurance can make a significant difference. But the navigation isn't the only upgrade here. Beatbot also added convenience features that improve day-to-day ownership. The Beatbot Sora 30 includes smart water surface parking and SmartDrain technology. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the smart water surface parking helps position the robot for easier retrieval. Meanwhile, SmartDrain helps reduce excess water weight before you lift the robot from the pool. And if you owned a robotic pool cleaner before, you know how valuable these convenient features can be. So, if you're looking for the best balance of intelligent navigation, longer runtime, easier retrieval, and a more refined robotic pool cleaner experience, the Beatbot Sora 30 is likely the sweet spot in the lineup. But there is still one compatibility that separates the flagship model from both the Sora 10 and the Sora 30. This is where the comparison changes, because the Beatbot Sora 70 is the only robot pool cleaner in this comparison that cleans floating debris from the water surface. And for some pool owners, that single feature may be the deciding factor, especially if you own an outdoor pool. Think about leaves, pollen, seeds, and other debris that never sinks at the bottom. Traditional robot pool cleaners often focus on the floors, walls, and waterline. And that's great, okay? But the Beatbot Sora 70 adds dedicated water surface cleaning through Beatbot's JetPulse technology. And that's what makes this unique. The Beatbot Sora 70 is the only model in this comparison that can actively clean floating debris from the surface of the water. If floating debris is a reoccurring problem in your pool, this is the model specifically designed to solve that challenge. Now, the Beatbot Sora 70 also features Sonic Sense AI, ultrasonic obstacle avoidance, and AI-supported S-shaped floor cleaning paths to help deliver comprehensive cleaning coverage throughout the pool. But the biggest story here is still surface cleaning, because the Beatbot Sora 70 doesn't just clean the floor. It doesn't just clean the walls. It doesn't just clean the waterline. It also cleans the surface. And in Pro mode, the Beatbot Sora 70 can perform a complete cleaning cycle that covers the water surface, shallow areas, and floor walls and waterline. This is what makes it the most complete cleaning solution in the entire Beatbot Sora lineup. Now, for pool owners who regularly deal with floating leaves, pollen, surface debris, the Beatbot Sora 70 offers a compatibility that Sora 10 and Sora 30 simply do not provide. Now, let's compare the specifications here. The Beatbot Sora 10 features a 7800 mAh battery and a 5-liter debris basket, and provides up to 5 hours of cleaning for floors, walls, and waterlines. Now, the Beatbot Sora 30 increases that battery capacity to 10,000 mAh while maintaining a 5-liter debris basket that can provide up to 5 hours of continuous cleaning. The Beatbot Sora 70 also features a 10,000 mAh battery but upgrades to a larger 6-liter debris basket. It can provide up to 5 hours of floor cleaning or up to 7 hours of water surface cleaning. Now, for larger pools and heavier debris conditions, those differences can become very important. Now, another thing worth mentioning is filtration. The Beatbot Sora series supports an optional 3-micron ultrafine filter for pool owners who want even finer debris capture. Just keep in mind that this ultrafine filter is optional and not the standard filter included with the robot. So after comparing the Beatbot Sora 70, Beatbot Sora 30, and the Beatbot Sora 10, which robot pool cleaner is right for you? Now, I would choose the Beatbot Sora 10 if you want essential floor, wall, waterline, and shallow area cleaning at the most accessible price point. Choose the Beatbot Sora 30 if you want stronger navigation, longer runtime, easier retrieval, and a smarter ownership experience, but floating debris is not a major issue in your pool. And I would choose the Beatbot Sora 70 if floating leaves, pollen, bugs, and other surface debris are regular problems, and you want the most complete cleaning experience available, from the water surface all the way down to the pool floor. So let me know in the comments which Beatbot Sora would you choose for your pool. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button as well. And if you have, again, any questions at all, I'll see you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.